Yes, your time starts now. Mm.
Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sabha Samrin, and I'm the CEO of Life Set Free, products which tell you a story. So basically, what this
Mm.
just a minute, so my slides are not moving.
Mm. Okay.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sabha Samrin. I'm the CEO of Life Set Free, a company where the products tell you a story. So, sir, I think if I stop my video, my slides will play. So it's just stuck. It's not moving.
Okay. Okay.
I'll like resume my video once the presentation is over.
Okay. Mm.
Sorry, sir. Just a minute. Yeah. So our company is a recycling company where we collect the plastic from like various sources, the water, marine sources, the landfills, etc. We turn them into threads, and the threads are turned into fabrics. So these fabrics are used to make handbags, all sorts of bags like handbags, backpacks, suitcases, everything, plus shoes and the trench coats. That is you must be thinking, why plastic? Why not something else? Why are we contaminating or recycling only plastic? So let me give you some like a run through different facts. So it is said that only 9% of the plastic is gets recycled every year. So in the developing countries, these rates for plastic collected in the household is often less than 50%. So everything goes into waste, and mostly this recycled packaging waste is downcycled into lower values and unrecyclable products. So what happens is the global plastic production is 270 million tons per year, while the global plastic waste that is produced is 275. So it is more than the plastic produced. And this plastic, out of this plastic, the coastal plastic waste is 99.5 million tons, while the mismanaged coastal plastic is 31.9 million tons. Then the plastic that inputs into the ocean is 8 million tons, and the plastic that is present on the surface of water is 10,000 to 100,000 tons. This so you can see here the global plastic production is increasing linearly, like from these are the recent data that was collected from our world in data, and this was a study done in 2019. So and the data is shown for 1950s to 2015. So you can see it's just increasing the plastic production, and the plastic waste that is disposed. What happens to this? The data for 1980 to 2015 is shown, where most of the data, almost like 50%, 55% of the waste is discarded, while you can see, say, around 20% is incinerated. That again leads to global warming, and the rest 10% is recycled. The next, the plastic waste generated by industrial sectors, where you can see the plastic waste produced by packaging is 141 million tons, and then comes the textile. So we are using like plastic everywhere, almost in every industry we have plastic, but packaging industry uses most of the plastic, and these are not even recycled properly. So this is a recent data that was this was a recent news that was shown, that was given on I guess Thursday. So where the Coca-Cola and Pepsi and these were top plastic polluters for third year in the row. What happens to all these plastics? These later go into the oceans. They're harming our marine animals. Then also another problem for why I chose this only recycling plastic is plastic into different shoes and stuff is the global leather industries. Leather industries are not ethical. They have um, you see, there are millions of leather industries that use this slaughter these animals and it is more in China and India. So wearing leather is a problem here. And also use mostly the trench coats which we wear during winters are also like they have feathers, and feathers don't come you don't make it. You pluck the feathers from the animals. Most of the celebrities which you see wearing like these fur coats and all, they don't come from they are not made synthetically, they are actually natural. They are like what you say they are removed from these ducks, then ostriches, everything, and almost every bird. Also the plastic is now, it is said that in the we have only 15 years to turn the climate change, to reverse our climate change. Only this, in this 15 years, if we don't do anything, then the next coming years won't we can't it is irreversible. The climate change will be irreversible. And also in the recent study it was shown that only we have seen the plants also taking up plastics, nanometers of plastics into them. And probably the further studies also suggest that only 10 in coming 10 years we'll be eating plastic. And that is this fish has it was they collected all this plastic from the fish gut. So this is the reason why I chose to like recycle plastic and make something out of it. Why I chose only these what you call bags, shoes and stuff is because we use this every day, and we want it we want it to be durable, and anti dirt and stuff. So this is why I am recycling plastic into these materials. So my marketing strategy would be like I'll be collaborating with different environmentalists, then different what you call the NGOs that work for environment, and I'll ask them to promote my product, and instead I'll be promoting their organization. So we would be promoting our product using different social media platforms, that is Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. And we tie up with different organizations that will promote our product to their audience. Now also we'll be having social events like giveaways, competitions where bring your own bottle stuff, where you win things, and that will promote our company as well. So the cost of the product here, you'll be having a question like why this if we are recycling the product and they are buying it, and then what happens to that plastic? So here 20% of the this we have a scheme called deposit refund scheme, where the product 20% will be deposited here. And when you when you return a product after you have used it completely and you're bored of it, you return it to our retail store, and we give you 20% of the product's cost back, and 10% of this product's cost will go to a environmental organization. We actually donate them, and the rest will be divided into different working sectors. So here we have a small scale up industry, and we have a rental store. So the waste material will be coming to the industry, where we convert it into a fabric and then into a product, and this product will be given to a retail store, where we'll be selling it. And we'll also be selling it using different social medias like Instagram, and we'll be having our own website as well. Why from us? Because our products are a step towards reversing the climate change. We provide products that are cruelty free and sustainable. Cruelty free because we are not using leather, that anything that has animal cruelty, and also like even the plants, because there are like shortage of land in the coming years because of our increasing population as well. So probably by recycling the things which are present in our this thing, as waste, we can actually reduce some cost here. And they are water resistant, dirt resistant, so you don't have to worry about getting wet in rains. They are durable, and also we give a warranty period for this, for all the products, and the cost of the product will be based on the product. Different products have different costs, and what type of design it is made up of and stuff. So product cost will be such that even a middle class and even a lower class can buy our products. That's about it. Thank you.
Okay, ma, good.
uh,
Ah,
okay.
yes. Now coming to the question. Yes, they're asking what is your product? What type of product you are going to manufacture from plastic?
Will be like manufacturing handbags,
Hmm.
backpacks, and this footwear, also trench coats.
Ten sports.
Trench
Hmm.
coat.
Oh, trench coat.
Yes,
Whether it is legally permitted?
permitted as in manufacturing this thing.
Yes.
Yes, sir. There are actually like even Adidas is using marine plastic to produce shoes.
Hmm.
Yeah, so I think it's legally permitted.
Okay. Then from the faculty side. Here they are asking that your production cost is high, since you are getting the recycling from plastic, the cost of production will be high and it will be a large scale production. How you will overcome these issues? Because it takes minimum 1 year time to start your business.
Yes, sir. I'm not actually starting it even now. Like I'll be starting it around like when I'll get settled. I have like enough money to start it. So
Mm,
I'll be like probably collaborating with other different industries that are working towards this thing, like recyclable things, and
mm.
I'll do the cost management there.
Okay. Anyhow, you answered something well. Nice. Coming to my view, first I appreciate you because your vision is clear. Your vision clearly says that how we can go recycle the plastic. Mm, that
Thank
we have to appreciate. Nice theme. But your mission is also clear. You are going to manufacture only plastic products.
you. Yes, sir. Not recycled
Mm,
plastic products.
yes.
Yes. And
And
probably once like
mm,
all the plastic we have recycled, we'll think of like biodegradable products. Like I'm doing some research on like biodegradable plastics from like the
mm,
animal waste, like the guts, intestines, and
mm.
stuff. So probably I'll be doing that.
Oh, then it will be too costly. The
So,
input is very costly. Mm.
as in, sir?
Say for example, if you want to get the recycled plastic, huh? If you want to buy the recycled plastic, it is very costly. So how you will make up the cost?
Sir, I'll not be buying plastic. I'll be having a small unit where
Hmm.
I'll be hiring people who will collect plastic for me, and we'll recycle them in our own company.
Okay. Then another thing, it is equivalent to same present method. Most of them are collecting the plastic from railway, even bus stand. Now I don't know what during
Yeah,
the
but
COVID
they are not
period.
recycling it properly. Like
Hmm.
either they are incinerating or they are discarding it. So
Hmm.
incineration is leading to greenhouse gases,
Hmm.
while discarding it leads to like soil erosion and stuff. But if you recycle them, there is no chance of getting it harming our environment. So even if they are buying our products, they'll be returning it back to us. We'll recycle them again and we'll make something else out of it. Make
Oh,
other
that is
products.
nice. So
Yeah, that is
they
why.
can return the product to you. You can
Yeah,
recycle and return back.
that is why we have a deposit refund scheme where we'll be giving
Mm,
them 20% of the total products cost
mm.
to the customers when they return it in our retail store.
Oh, nice. That idea is your idea is nice. You only
Thank you,
thing
sir.
the cost calculation we have to work out.
Yeah,
Mm,
I'll work out on that.
mm.
Yeah.
Because it needs a very big industry, maybe in Sitco or in a very big industrial units only you can start this thing. Because now government is hesitating to give approval for whatever may be the plastic. Mm.
Hmm.
That is the one act I think, because we are planning to eradicate plastic from India.
Yes, sir.
As per that law, if you want to commence any business in which the raw material is from plastic or equivalent, you have to get the permission from the government, especially in case of environmental science
Environment.
department, you have to get.
Yeah, yeah.
This department is not ready to give in most of the cases. Mm,
Yes, sir. I know that, sir.
mm.
That I'll handle it once I'm ready with a
Okay,
business.
that is why you are ready to pay more corruption. Mm,
No, sir. I'll not take corruption.
mm. Because environmental situation is like that only. Okay, good. Anyhow, we appreciate that one. That is the plus point. If you add that production feasibility as prototype of your product, it will be nice. Okay.
Yeah, I thought of creating. I actually created
Mhm.
it, but it didn't come out the way I expected
You
it to
thought,
come. A prototype, a
your
3D
dream is not,
representation of the thing.
yes, your dream is not matching with your reality. Mm.
Yeah.
Yes, of course. After doing the research, you will do that one. Okay. Whether your parents will support or where you will get the money.
Actually, my dad wanted me to like open a business, like something into the biotechnology field.
Mm,
So I was thinking of this, like why not this instead of going for enzymes like Biocon and like how Biocon started.
mm.
So he was actually telling like I can support you if you are starting a business.
Oh,
Like
nice.
even he wants to do a business once he retires from his job. So
Mm.
yeah, probably he'll support me.
So you are waiting for the retirement of your dad.
No, no, sir. First, I want to like get proper
Mm.
studies and proper experience into this field.
Good. That's what I usually tell. Next 6 years or 10 years, you can work. By that time, you have to gain knowledge regarding the practical exposure.
Yeah.
Then only you are going to enter into that one.
Yes, sir.
Good, Sabha, your view is
Thank
correct.
you, sir.
Where you are in Bangalore or somewhere
Yeah,
else?
in Bangalore only.
Okay, okay. Your mother is there or dad is there to support?
No, sir.
Now,
Now there. I locked my room actually, so
ah.
no one's disturbing me.
Oh, you are not permitting anybody inside your room.
Yeah,
Hmm?
they actually disturb me. Especially my sister disturbs me a lot. So
Why, ma? You are presenting your sister must see. Hmm.
yeah.
Where she is, whether she is studying in
She,
our campus.
no, sir. She's just 10th now.
Hmm. Nice. I think you are not showing your sister. At least we will see your sister face. Hmm?
She's not here, sir. Her
Hmm.
classes got over. She's
Oh,
probably is taking a nap.
okay, good. The purpose is how your family is motivating you. That is the thing. So, other students, you have to learn clearly. Once again, I am telling the same transformation strategy, how the parents are incorporating the value of business. Mm. But how she is ready to accept that also very important thing. She also clearly mentioned that she is going to work in an organization, get trained, gain the knowledge, then only they are going to commence the business. That is the Indian ecosystem of entrepreneurship. Usually we used to call that one. Never expect immediately after the studies the business. It may take. takes time. You have to work. You have to gain knowledge. You must know practical knowledge. Very good, Sabha.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for your parents also. Convey my regards.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Thank
Mm,
you, sir.
okay. Yes. Good. Who is going to present next?
So, me, sir, Nitish.
Nitish. Okay.
Nitish Kumar. Yes,
Nitish
sir.
Kumar, you are from which department?
Life science, sir.
Life science Nitish. That Nitish is from computer science. Okay. He's
Yes, sir.
having
Yes.
practical. Okay. Frequently, I used to mismanage both of you. Mm. Okay. Which Nitish? Because when I talking to Jude sir, he told Nitish. Then I talked Kumar sir, he's also telling. Why? Then only I noticed there are two Nitish Kumar here. Okay, good
Yes, sir.
Nitish. Start. Mm.
Yes. Sir, can I yes,
Yes,
share
you
my
can
screen?
share. You can share now.
Okay. Sir, can you able to see my screen?
Yes, then go to slideshow. I'm able to see, but I am unable to see your face.
So I turn on my video, sir, actually.
Now I am able to see. You can go
Okay.
to slideshow.
Yes. So can I start?
Yes, Nitish, you can start. Mm.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. My venture, myself, Nitish. I am from MSc BT third semester. So my venture is all about orphan adapting platform through app. So the name of my app is Angels Angel. That is God's children. So it is actually a social venture. Uh, so I like to share my vision by 2030. By 2030, the orphan across India should get a family. So with a motto, every child deserve a family. So what we are going to do through our app is that we will provide a platform to adopt a child who desperately needs a loving for our home, and will be the bridge between the prospective adoptive parents. They are not a regular parent. Why they are calling us a prospective adoptive parents are is that they fulfill the responsibility of parenting by registering through the Central Adaptive Research Authority, which is a adaptation agency governed by central government. So will be the bridge between the prospective adoptive parents and the various orphans throughout the country. And also we will find a foster parent for our kids. Foster parents are those who can be anyone who want to adopt a child for a couple of months. So they can adopt a child for a couple of months as well. So our role is over here is that we'll be the bridge between the orphanage in essence throughout the India, and the parents who desperately seeking for a kid. The parents what they have to do is that they just want to sign in through our app. Then they can choose a child like as simple as a matrimonial site. It's similar to matrimonial site as well. So what are the problems we are going to solve is that my venture will stop the child trafficking, that is child kidnapping, and it will prohibit completely the child labor. One important thing is that through our venture we can raise a crowdfunding, which helpful for the betterment of the orphan. So here's a small comparison between our app and the existing adaptation agencies that through our app, it is a transparency. There will be a transparency in every step we are undertaking. But if you take an adaptive agency, they lack transparency. Then the second point is that all the process is going to happen will be simple and quick. But over here, it is a time consuming. As I told you earlier, through our app, we are going to connect various orphanages throughout the country. So it will be beneficial for both parents as well as the orphan to find their parents. So the parents will get various availabilities and option to choose a site across the country. But if you go for a approach for a particular specific adaptation agency, you lack option. There won't be any option for you when compared to our app. So that's all about my venture. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Good, Nitish. Stop there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Students are asking why you identified such a social entrepreneurship. What is the inner motive beyond this one? Hmm?
Simple, sir. Helping minds. That's it, sir. I was like thinking what is lacking right now. Something is lacking. I thought in orphanage life something is lacking in their life. So I thought to connect the parents who are desperately seeking a child and the orphans who want
Mm,
a family, forever loving family.
mm.
So that only I thought to do this venture, sir.
They are asking whether anything you identified as a problem because this and social objective. Hmm? Have you noticed any issue
Yes, sir.
in your
Definitely, there
life?
will be a problem, sir.
In your life, have you met any people
Uh,
like that? Hmm.
no, sir, not for sure. Like as a general, I took this topic, sir.
Hmm.
Not any stories. No
No
stories behind it.
stories beyond that one. Why you are? I think you
Yes,
have
sir.
to
Yes, sir.
ask from journalism students. Then hmm, how to
Oh,
make this one as a story. Okay, good.
okay.
Okay, faculty side, and they are leaving for you. Like they are asking, your ventureship vision is only mentioned. There is no marketing. Then the finance side is also missing. Very important thing.
Yes, sir.
The band rate is high because they are saying that how you Nitish will adjust according to the band rate because it is a lot of political issues are there and government support is very minimal. How it is possible to achieve his vision? Mm,
Yes, sir. Sir, that's what. As you told earlier, the entrepreneur should have a broad risk-taking attitude.
mm,
Then, if I'm talk about marketing feasibility, if you
mm,
take in India, if you want to adopt a child in India, it will cost around more than 42,000, 46,000, more than 3 lakhs it will reach, sir.
mm,
So, first of all, I want to develop app. It will require less than 3 to 4 lakhs only, sir.
mm,
So I have to concentrate on my this app.
mm,
Then about income or a feasibility, like
mm,
it is depend on my customer only, sir. So if a parents are from a village background, we will charge them less, sir. Like it's a brokerage commission only, sir. So if a particular person getting benefit through our app means just a simple commission is enough for us, sir. If same parents, same customer are from international background, like a foreign parents, they are going to adapt means we will charge them more, sir. Based on the customer, we are going to charge, sir. That's it. It's
that's
all
what
about.
they are
I
saying.
like sir, and then also child to adapt, sir, not for sale.
That
That
is why
point I
they
have
are
to be
mentioned.
clear.
Here he is commenting like that. It may be like a child hijacking or child trafficking.
Yeah. That's what, sir. I
Because your
want to
views are
stress
similar,
upon this
equal to
point.
a intermediate.
Definitely, sir.
Mm,
Yes, sir. But I told you now, sir, there will be a paka transparency. If you want to sign in our app, you can see if there is an orphanage in Delhi,
mm,
you can through our app you can able to see how many orphan kids are there, so who are all available to get adapt. So there are some rules and regulation over there, sir. If a particular child is get lost in a particular month, so that orphanage will take care of them, sir. Within 3 months their parents are coming means they will
mm.
give the kids to the parents, appropriate parents. If a particular person, belonging person of the kid is not coming means they will um, approach to the parents who are seeking for a child, sir.
Mm.
So it
But
will
as
take
per,
time, but
yes, as per our
mm,
act, there should be an orphanage for minimum period of 2 years till lodging the police complaint. Mm? That is,
two
a
years, yes,
kid
sir,
is
yes, sir, of course.
missing, they should
Yeah.
be in orphanage for 2 years.
Mm,
The police investigation will comes to an
yes,
end
sir,
till 2 years. If
yes,
investigation
sir, yes,
is
sir,
not over, we
definitely.
need not worry. So how you will manage these 2 years? That is what they are asking as a heavy burn rate.
Sir, yeah, answer is with you only, no, sir. You told about the childrens, those who are lost for loss. They
Mm.
have we have to wait for 2 years, sir. What about for the child who is thrown in some garbage or something like that?
Yes, we
Who
have to
doesn't
take care of
like
them.
orphan means?
Mm.
Yes, sir. So yeah,
No,
like we will
the,
differentiate.
the question is, orphanage is
Yes, sir.
different. You are creating the app only. So how you will manage the orphanage as well as the parents, as well as the original parents. Hmm? Plus, very important thing, the government. You must know that one. Hmm? It is a
Yes,
big
sir. Yes, sir.
challenging
Actually, I
one.
have to do a research on.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir. Definitely.
Hmm.
But then, sir, if you approach an orphanage, they can know, they will know, sir. Like if you, we can differentiate the children, no, sir, from their background. So we will
Hmm.
collect data from them. So we will be we will be cut sorting some childrens like they
Hmm.
are eligible to adopt. There are some children will be eligible to adopt, no, sir. So we are
Hmm.
going to choose a particular children. So from that, we are gonna advise them, or we are gonna give like to their life, sir.
Hmm. That is why once again the faculty here is showing the answer. It has come in one of the film industry. Gajini.
Really?
Have you seen that with the film called Gajini?
I don't know.
Okay.
Don't know, sir. What is
In
actually
one
that?
of the film, there's a
Hmm.
traffic. Okay. How a child has been hijacked by the third person and what are all the issues faced by them. Then even the original persons came into scenario, how it creates a
Uh,
panic among the people. Hmm? I don't know.
yes,
I have
sir.
not
Yeah.
seen that film, but they are
Mm.
saying that one. Hmm.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Hmm. You are
Like
having
if you
answer
take,
for that one. Hmm.
sir, like if you take child trafficking,
Hmm.
out of 190% will be kidnapping the child for selling to some particular parents only, sir.
Hmm.
So if there is a specific app like this, so it will be stopped. Like not 100% it will be stopped. At
Hmm.
least for 80% it will be stopped, no, sir.
Hmm.
That thing you have to keep in mind. The second thing is the interesting fact about this is if let's say one person is get adapted to a parents, but after he became an adult, he come to know that he is adopted child. So if he want to find his actual root where he come from means, he
Hmm.
straight away come and approach us, sir.
Hmm.
We can able to we will help him to find the actual route from where he took, because we know all the orphanage around the India, no, sir. So
Hmm.
from that we can try to find his parents as well. So
Hmm.
if he's will to see his actual parents.
Hmm.
So like poverty, sir. If you take India, if there are five children in a family, they cannot able to take care of them. So that only they are sending the to the orphanage, sir. Without they are not willingly sent, sir. We have to see this positive side also, no, sir. So something
Hmm.
we will do, sir. Something we can
Something
do.
good in
Yes,
that.
sir.
Okay, good. Coming to my view, I like that point you mentioned clearly. How to reduce the child hijacking, trafficking. That is important thing. So that part, I think you can give importance for that one. Other,
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir. Mm.
how we can
It's an
reduce
important
that
point, sir.
one. That is the vision,
Yes, sir.
yeah,
Yes,
of
sir.
you. Others can
Mm-hmm.
also note that one. His vision is very clear. That is reducing the child trafficking. How the child has been abused, how most of them are hijacking child and selling to somebody else. How we can reduce that one. That is his vision. A very good vision. But the mission to achieve that vision, there are some scarcity issues because of the government issue. Because now most of them they are not ready to accept because government is also facing lot of problem in that one because government ran once number of orphanages but due to shortage of fund government is unable to run that problem is also now having almost all the state government and even the central government. I think last week one news you might have seen one child has been recovered from the recently in Bangalore station railway station, and when the police officials are ready to give to the one of the orphanage for at least child care department for 1 or 2 days. They find it very difficult because almost all the places in Bangalore run by state government is full. It is running more than the limits, standard limits. And three of the child care organization, they are ready to accept, but they are not having permission from the government to not to take care of more than 30 kids. They finally, that kid has been asked to stay in the railway station itself for 4 days. Worst
Oh,
thing happened. Okay, I think some of you read the news reported in Bangalore Mirror. Hmm? Then some of the child care organization, even though they are unable to take that kid to their uh, orphanage, they served food, everything in the railway station itself. They came, they sent some of the persons, and some of the persons take care of that one. Then only the government identified few places and sent to the one of the private institute. See that one. So how we can solve this issue? This is a very good example taken by Nitish as a social issue. That is his vision. We have to appreciate one. And he also mentioned the how he is going to raise the fund. That is crowdfunding platform he mentioned. Of course, very nice idea. Because without fund,
yes,
we
sir.
can't do that one. Hmm? These are all the plus point. Only
Yes, sir.
thing,
With a small formula, sir.
hmm, yes, good.
Sir,
Yes, yes, tell
with a
me.
small formula, sir, see, sir, if some person is willing to give more means, we should not ask them less, sir. If
Hmm,
some person willing to give less means, we should not ask them more, sir. That's it, sir.
hmm,
Like
yes.
there are good peoples around, no, sir. We have to approach. We should
Hmm,
know the correct person to whom we have to approach, sir.
hmm,
Once it is clear means it definitely reads, sir.
good.
I believe.
I think that by seeing that one, I remember one of the Hindi film, Gangua, hmm, and not a recent film,
But like,
very old film. In that film, the hero used to get fund from the rich people and ready to give to the poor people. Hmm.
even in
So,
Shivaji also like that only, sir.
ah, yes, yes. Oh, recent movie, Shiva, Rajinikanth movie, Shivaji.
Yes, sir. It's a old only.
Oh, old film, huh? For me, all are new.
Uh,
Okay, any of Shivaji movie also I have seen, huh? The boss, motor boss, huh? Issue nice.
yes, sir. He will get money from
Mm,
rich people and donate to
mm.
the poor people.
Okay, nice. So,
So our
Niti,
president have to make someone happy, sir. That's it.
huh, good, making others. So, Nitish vision is also good mission. Only we have to plan only how he is going to operate. And of course, we know the band rate will be high. Even we can't say
Right.
high, it is heavy. Mm. Heavy band rate. You have to face a lot of legal problems from police also, legal problems from the government, even other organization. Because this is a very risky job. For thanks to you to taking the risky and say the
Sir,
kid.
even I have to thank you, sir. After talking to you, it is giving more interest on this, sir. It's becoming a
Oh,
challenge for me, so I'm gonna work out more into it, sir.
oh, nice. Then you are ready to take the
Yes, sir.
challenge. I will
Yes,
inform your
sir.
Jude
It's a
sir
challenge
also.
for me.
Mhm.
Yes, sir.
Good. That's what. Anyhow, after completion of studies, you have to work. Hmm? You can join this
Yes, sir.
type of
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
mm, for after 10 years.
First, I have to find something for my living, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, that is very important thing. With this
Yes, sir.
cause, whether your parents will support you,
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir.
hmm,
No, they will support me,
they
100%.
100% they will
They
support
know
you.
about me, sir. They know about me, sir.
Ah,
So they will
hmm.
support, sir.
Oh, they good. They are having good confidence among you. Where you are
Yes, sir.
from?
Sir, I am from Madurai, sir. Madurai,
Oh,
small village, sir.
which village? I studied
Chokkalingapuram, sir.
Chokalinga. I also studied. I went for Madurai for my MPhil thesis in
Oh,
1990. Huh? Exactly 30 years back. Hmm? At
okay, sir. Oh,
Madurai Kamaraj University, on the way to one place, we visited Chekkaruni, something. Hmm? in
Oh,
Madurai.
Chekkar Urani. Okay, okay,
Ah,
okay. Mm.
so from there, you, any your relatives are here or you are alone here?
Yes, sir. Actually, my uncle is here, sir, over here. So I stay with him and I used to
Mm,
come to college. So,
mm.
yes, sir. So
Madurai
he is
is,
taking care of me, sir. My
oh,
parents, everyone are in native, sir.
they are in native. So
Yes, sir.
your parents are ready to accept this type of social cause. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Madurai
Yes,
is
sir. No
famous for
problem.
some flowers, jasmine flowers.
Jasmine, sir. Jasmine flower. Yes, sir.
Mm, good. Mm. Very good, Nitish. A nice presentation. And I hope by 2030 or at least by 2040, you are able to achieve. Huh? I will see you in Madurai. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Mm.
Okay, sir. We
Uh,
will bring change, sir.
yes. Good, Nitish. Thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
Mm.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good. Yes. Who is ready for next presentation?
Sir, I will do.
Yes. Shion
Shion, sir.
Anto. Whether my pronunciation is correct?
Shion, sir.
Sion. That biblical name, Sion. Mm.
Okay,
Okay,
sir. I'll.
some sound is coming. You are in outside. Some car sound is coming.
No, sir. No, sir.
I
I'm at.
thought you are driving and presenting. Huh?
No, sir.
Don't mistake me because in another course, a student presented like the. Finally, I asked, "Where are you, sir? I am driving from one place from Andhra to Bangalore." Hmm?
No, sir. I'm
Bangalore
sitting in
to
my home.
home. Where?
Bangalore, sir.
Bangalore. Okay. Good, Sion. You can start. Hmm.
Yes, sir. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. My venture plan is called TerraVert. It is simply a farm. TerraVert means green land or green earth. So nowadays, the fruits and vegetables that we get has a lot of chemicals, and they use a lot of pesticides and insecticides. So we would be aiming on complete organic farming. So for this, we would be using. Sorry, sir. I think slides are stuck.
Slide stuck down. Hmm? Okay, then you can use.
Just
You can close your video.
okay, sir. Okay.
Ah,
For this we would be using techniques like crop rotation, vermicompost, where we would be degrading the waste food products, and we would increase the fertility of the soil using earthworms and biofertilizers and some biological pest management systems. So we would be having a small animal husbandry unit where a small poultry, some cows and sheep. So our customers, they can order the food and vegetables using the website. They can order, and we would be providing them to their doorsteps. Uh, so other than farming, we would be exploring another sector, that is the tourism sector. So we would be opening our farm to the tourist, so that they can come, and there will be a small resort. Actually, not a resort, but we would be building some small wooden houses or tree houses, so that they can come, they can stay there, and they can spend their time. We would be providing them with food and drinks or other facilities. They can have campfire. They can enjoy their time there. And also, we would be providing them with various other activities or facilities, like um, to engage them. We can uh, give them like adventure sports or horse riding, fishing or something like that, so that they feel like they have done something when they stayed in our place. So they can book their stay using the same website, and also the customers, it's like we would target everyone, like any people, all the tourists around the world. But if we are starting this venture near Bangalore, or in the outskirts of Bangalore, we would be targeting mainly the people of Bangalore, where all these people who they work the whole week, and they would be tired of working like the whole week, and they would be waiting to get out from the city life and enjoy some time. So maybe a weekend, like 2 days of the weekend, they can spend their weekend there. They can enjoy some time there, and they can uh, have a nice time there. And also riders who go for bike rides, we can see many people in Bangalore. They would be waiting for weekends to come so that they can go for rides. So these people, they can come there, then when they see the facilities, they can stay there, and also they can have their great time. This is my venture.
Okay. Then what about your cost marketing?
Yeah, I'm actually sorry about this. The marketing would be like we. It depends on the stay. It depends on the facilities they use. Like if they are not staying for a day and all, it will only the activities. Then it would be like a bit lesser price. But the food and other expenses, like it will depend. Like if they're staying for 1 day or 2 days, it depends on the facilities they use, the food and everything they use. So it increases regarding based on that.
Okay. Then finance.
Uh,
How you will finance? Because it is a big one.
Yeah, it's a very huge. This project is very huge. So first, only we have to have a minimum of 3 to 4 acres of land. So
3 to 4 acres.
minimum actually.
Yes,
So
definitely.
uh, so first we would be having only so much, and maybe we would increase like at the time being. So uh, our family actually supports it. My brother also has given me a lot of ideas, so he is also there for supporting me. So
Okay. Good. Now you can stop sharing and show your
yes, sir.
face. Huh?
Yes, sir, yes.
Okay. From the student side, they are asking whether it is an organic farm or organic resort.
It's basically both of it actually.
Basically, both.
Yeah, because if we do only farming, it's like there's a lot of burn rate. So if by chance, if any one of that is not going well, we can stay with the other one. Like if farming is not going well, we can go with the tourism side. So it will
Good.
be always like a backup plan.
Oh, secondary business
Yeah,
model.
secondary business.
But you are planned for that one.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. So from the faculty side, they are asking your payback period will be high.
Yeah, it will be
How
very
you
high.
are going to manage? Because the band rate will also be high. It takes more time. How it is possible, and is it a challenging one or not?
It's very challenging actually. Payback period is very high because, as I said, the first thing is the area. We need a very huge area. So payback period we would be expecting somewhere around 2 to more than 2 years actually.
More
Maybe
than
by
2 years.
yeah, we can't say by 1 year. It's very hard to get by 1 year. So that
Till then, who will fund you? You need more cash, till 2 years, because minimum payback period is, in my view, 6 years. Anyhow,
yes,
2 years, how you will manage
sir.
with the fund?
Actually, we should go very slow. Actually, first only we can't leave our job and we can't go there. We would be having our job, so it will be like a simultaneous. And then when we become stable, then we would leave our jobs and we could
Whether you
completely
are
go on
already
to
having land with you now?
land. Actually, we don't have, but uh, we have to see it's like around Bangalore, near the outskirts of Bangalore. So
Bangalore.
yeah, it would be a bit costly, but we think it's the best way because we need if it is in Kerala and all, it will be very less cost, but we won't get the target customers. Bangalore, it is somewhat the center of all the cities. Hyderabad, like that, you can get people from somewhat everywhere. So.
But I think, in my view, rather than Bangalore, Kerala is good, because Bangalore people are moving out for such type of vacation.
Yeah, that's why Bangalore people are trying to move out to like Kerala and other places to get these kind of places. So if we have a place near Bangalore, they can come there.
Because last year we went to one place, nearby Banirkata, one
Mm.
nice resort. I think I forget its name. Some A it comes. Uh, a resort, big resort with a swimming pool, boat house, everything is there. I think whether anybody went that to place, it starts with A. Mm. A nice place because when we incurred that one, it takes 4 years for the construction itself. Mm,
Here, that resort, it's not like we are not building any big resort now, sir. For
mm,
customers, we are building only very small huts, like,
mm,
so they get that ambience, like they are
mm,
outside the city only. So
mm,
that would be a bit less cost compared to the big resorts.
mm. Okay, good. For coming to my view, I appreciate you, which regarding to the plan we started with the organic type. Mm.
Yeah.
Your view with organic resort. That's why even students ask organic resort. Mm.
Yes, sir.
Getting the organic food and distributing them, and you have shown some images of cattle also.
Yes,
It
sir.
looks like a rural tourism.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Mm,
That's why first I thought only about the organic farming,
mm,
but I thought I don't think it would be completely effective. So that's why we thought of a different
mm.
this
Yes,
sector.
good. That rural tourism is going nicely in some of the place. And 2 years back, not 2 years, last year only, 2019, in May, I visited one place nearby Ahmedabad, that is in Gujarat. They created in that Sabarmati river nicely a big, what you call it as like organic resort. They used to supply only vegetarian food and to with fruits or vegetables grown in that place only. Mm. They created since they constructed some Sabarmati river basin nicely, they used to run some boating nicely in that place. But they also mentioned that it is very costly. People are shifting because that Sardar Vallabhai Patel statue has been commissioned. After that, we are not getting huge income. All these problems they mentioned. Very good competition there. So when you are planning for that one, of course, I think this will work by 2040. By that time, you have to add money. Mm.
Yes, sir. We need a lot of money.
A lot of money. It should attract venture capital. That is very important thing because individual can't do. Minimum partnership is essential.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes,
Who
sir.
will be your partner?
Mostly my brother. Most of,
Brother.
yeah,
Hmm,
he
well, whether he will support you, whether he completed now course or he is doing.
yes, sir. He's working right now.
Where?
Oracle.
Oh, nice. Then he is ready to support you. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Good. That is what you can see. One case, parents are ready to support. Here, brother is ready to support. So he will come out of Oracle by 2040. Hmm?
Yes, sir. He is
Good.
somewhat the main brain behind the idea,
Oracle.
actually.
Okay, good. Where he is, whether he is now with you,
Yeah, he's working. He's in the other room. He's working.
or you can call him. We'll interact with him. Hmm?
I think he's working right now. I don't think he
Working.
can come.
You
Yes, sir.
are not ready to call. Why? Hmm. So nice idea, but as I already mentioned, the fund generation is very
Yes, sir.
important thing. Then of course here also the political issues are there.
Yes,
Hmm,
sir. There will be a lot of, because there
hmm.
will be many problems regarding this sites and all. Like there will be
Yes.
many politics. So
Hmm,
we should have some base or
yes.
some.
So you have to legalize corruption to some extent.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. That is the main thing in beyond that one. Of course, once it started working for 2 or 3 years, it will work well. Then the competition, of
Yes,
course,
sir.
some competition will come. How you are going to manage? You must know how to manage the people also, because most of them you have to employ. Hmm.
Yes, sir.
That is a big task.
Yes, yes, sir. There should be many people
Yeah.
for working for us.
Whether you are having such a background with you,
Yes, sir. Actually, we have a very big family, so we have a lot of people. Actually.
oh, it's good. Very big family. How many brothers and sisters?
Uh, my own. I have only one own brother, but
Hmm.
cousins. I have a lot of cousins.
Oh, nice. Good. That is the thing. You can say other students must learn. That is how he is going to create a livelihood with the family oriented business. By the 2040 or 2045, you can mention your family name as a brand, and the
Sir.
entire person will work there and improve that one. That's what I came to know. That I told the story of that VGP Paneer Das. VGP story in Chennai. I think somebody from Chennai will know that one. How that business has been created. Once upon a time, that person was used to sell pickles in some one railway station in Tamil Nadu only. Then he identified a big theme park in Chennai, and I visited. I think few 10 or not 10, 20 years back. hmm, It was still there. She mentioned how the idea came. Good, Sion, you are having a nice idea. Hmm?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, good. Mm, Okay, we'll have a break. Who who is going to present next?